Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset this watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. Once the devices are paired, also make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, once you're done with pairing the watch and checking the battery level, you can continue and open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch. In the app, tap on the devices, then select your HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro from the list, scroll down, find the option called Restore Factory Settings and tap on it, then tap on Restore. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the watch, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.